What's up, guys? Thank you guys for clicking. Today I'm flipping my 6th car, which is a 2008 Toyota Prius. All right, I tried to jump started it. It worked only one time and the hybrid symbol turned on. So I'm not happy about that. I'm gonna figure it out because these hybrid batteries are literally $1,500, but I want it for $1,500. I'm all in right now, $1,500. All right, I'm being completely honest. I put all the numbers on the screen. All right, so anyways, let me go ahead and show you guys. All right, here it is. I just took off the 12-volt battery. I'm gonna go ahead and maybe buy one or just get it recharged at AutoZone for the free. Here is the interior. It is a little messy. I'm not too happy about how ugly the interior looks, but a lot of people will say, damn, this car looks nice. As you can see right here, it was a rear end damaged car. It was hit like that, and the bumper was provided. As you can see right there, it got hit. And the rear trunk was not damaged as much as I thought it was. This is the hybrid battery, which I don't want to pay $1,500 for. But I do have to tell the body guy to make sure the trunk closes, because this thing does not close. As you can see, it has like a little crack right there. And due to this not lining up, I guess when it got rear-ended, as you can see, this thing got bent. It got bent, so I have to tell the guy to make sure the trunk closes. But hopefully I get this car running like it should. All right, I went half and half with my girlfriend, so if it goes completely freaking wrong, I only lose 600, 750, something like that. And it's not even that much because I lost more. All right, anyways, let me go ahead and get to repairing. I'm gonna show you every step. Like, subscribe, share the button, everything to beat the algorithm. This is my 6th video, and I'm not seeing the views I need to see with the YouTube channel subscribers that I have. All right, anyways, let's go. All right, so I just walked out of AutoZone. I'm in hopes that it only needs a recharge because these batteries go for $250 to like anywhere plus taxes. So yeah, it's pretty expensive. So I'll see you guys after I install it and show you guys the results. All right, guys, so I'm finally back. I installed the 12-volt and I tried to crank it up and it didn't turn on. Then from there, I went on ahead and checked the fuses and tried to replace any, and still nothing. All right, and then I tried to put in some more gas and still nothing. I was very upset that I wasn't able to turn it on. I thought I was gonna have to pay for a new hybrid battery. As you guys can see, the whole thing is finally assembled. I actually ended up paying for a hybrid battery, which to my surprise, I only paid $800. These batteries go for $1,500 plus labor. If you want to go to a dealership, that's like literally $4,000. So the guy came, he installed it for 800 bucks. He came to me. I didn't even have to tow the car to him. And he told me this car is full of mice poop. So yes, fun fact, if you guys don't know, these Toyota Priuses, the wires or something like that, the wires harness are made out of soy. So mice like to get in here and literally make the little home, and I'll show you guys where it was made. So I disassembled it and I'm gonna have to vacuum it, as you guys can see very well. And actually, before I even the guy came here for 800 bucks to replace the battery, I vacuumed it very well, and all the seats were full of poop, and it smells like straight piss and poop. It's a horrible, disgusting smell. So I'm gonna have to use a shampoo extractor, a vacuum thing, whatever you want to call those, and make sure this thing smells nice and it looks nice. All right, the last thing I did, as soon as I was able to turn it on after paying $800 to the guy who really hooked me up, I actually ended up paying for the bodywork the same day, $350 to pull the frame, put on the bumper, and fix the clear coat on top of this hatch. This little spoiler that's going on right here, completely fixed. I am completely super happy about this whole process. I thought I was gonna end up in a disaster, but everything turned out just all right. So here's the full look of it. The last thing I need to do, besides washing it inside, install this little intake tube. So I don't know how this happened. I can't even see anything near and how it could like rub against. I'm assuming maybe a mice got in here. So as you guys can see, I went to pull apart. Again, I'll pop up all the clips on the screen so you guys are not lost. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and install this. It shouldn't be that hard. So anyways, guys, wish me luck. The car runs and drives. The body work is done. I just gotta clean it and install this little intake tube, and that's literally it. I'm gonna go ahead and just get started on that. Please leave a like, subscribe, hit the share button. I would really appreciate all the love. I'm actually out here at 100 degrees weather doing all these videos. I could literally just do the work and just not record. But I want to continue to do YouTube, all right? So anyways, I see you guys once it's done, and I'll skip you to the before and after. Let's go. Guys, I'm about to show you the most disgusting thing ever. I think I actually found the official nest. Look what's in there. I couldn't even see. You guys can have a better look. That is just completely disgusting. Let me just not talk so much and show you with how it looks, right? So the way this thing was, this is the intake that I showed you guys in the beginning, right? This connects to this. What the mice did, they chewed their way through this little tube, made their way down here, as you guys can see, and landed right here. So this is what their food supplies was at. All right, so I literally dumped this thing out. I took 15 minutes to literally dump out a mixture of dog food, cat food. Look at just that nastiness, man. I can't even believe what kind of problem I got myself into. All right, so I was piecing it all together in my head, and it makes sense, right? So here is their nest, right? This is their nest. I'm gonna have to clean it. So this is where they lived. It's disgusting. It smells, right? These cars are built where you can actually just go straight through the cabin air filter and land straight at the engine bay. So when I first got this car, there was literally poop everywhere here, right? But I try to clean it as much as I can. You can still see some. So literally they climbed their way down that little tube all the way down there. So that's why I showed you guys right there. I'm gonna get to work, you know, clean it up, do a little bit more, detail it. I just can't believe what I got myself into. I don't know, like freaking mice. I don't know. I didn't think that was a thing. I really didn't think that was a thing. But yeah, I just wanted to get off my chest, be completely honest with you guys. Again, like, share, subscribe. Let me skip y'all into the future where it's all detailed. All right, let's go. All right, guys, I am not sitting here on this seat for absolutely no reason, all right? I used the odor removal chemical, literally high grade industrial odor removal. It took a lot of work. I did 2 separate washes. Let me go ahead and show you guys. I wasn't able to get off this stain right here, but I promise you, this car does not smell like rat poop or mouse poop or pea poop or whatever I'm trying to say. You guys get the point. I know you guys don't have a virtual nose, but gosh, this thing has been kind of somewhat of a nightmare. From the hybrid battery, and then, you know, the body work was easy, but the smell is what got me. Again, I'm gonna go ahead and list it. Wish me luck. Hopefully I can sell it for like at least 5K, 45. Anyways, let's get to it. Let's go. All right, so we finally sold the 2008 Toyota Prius. We profited $1,800, $900 each, pretty much $1,000 and $1,000. All right, here is the proof. We're here at Bank of America. We're gonna go ahead and deposit because we don't want to get robbed or lose the money. All right,
and our bank information is 967.
Anyways, please leave a like, subscribe, hit the share button, hit the bell. Please stay tuned for these cars. I have a lot more to show you guys, all right? And anyways, I'll see you guys next time. But peace.